You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this very confusing word in English once and for all correctly. Most dictionaries reference it as being pronounced as binaural, so I believe that's probably the oldest, the more traditional pronunciation in English, how to pronounce it more correctly in older days at least. Binaural, but the Merriam-Webster for American English does list it as being pronounced more commonly as binaural, okay? So that's also a correct pronunciation of this word now, especially the US pronunciation. So both binaural and binaural pronunciations are used and correct. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.